Why? Because it has been ingrained in their system. For the longest time, they've been squandering funds from the people or yung PhilHealth funds. Importante itong pag-usapan din natin because yung universal healthcare will be implemented this year. And there's 217 billion pesos appropriated by Congress. And there's another 22 billion expected from the sin tax. And then, pati yung contribution, ang total requirement ng universal healthcare for this year alone is 257 billion pesos. We're talking of 200 or hundreds of billions of pesos. And then when we hear 250 billion pesos being wasted over time, then it is revolting to say the least because we are all practically members of PhilHealth. Now, the controversies that are being run by your newspaper and other newspapers, ano yun, kulang na kulang pa yun because I have it on good information. In fact,